Well, hello guys, this is Sachi here, and you're watching Mud Jar. It's been a while. I have uploaded a video. So today I have a very interesting video. So I have got this package. This package is from Orchid. So this is a company. They basically sell orchid plants, and they even send it to you via courier. So they reached me out, and they wanted to just send me a few orchids to just tell you all like how it works and how actually their orchid is and how do they supply. So this is my first collaboration. It has been sent by them, but I'll show you whatever is inside the box and whatever I feel genuinely. So yeah, and I'm really thankful to Orchid. So I'm just coming from the courier office. So this courier has got delayed. So let's see, it was supposed to reach on 7th of April. So today it is like 12th of April. So I'm hoping they're in good condition because the heat is getting really high. And so let's begin unwrapping this. This looks like this by removing the tape. So it has got this card which says like Orchid, how to care by Orchid. Then it has some basic care tips regarding the orchids. So I had already received a mail. I'll share the screenshots over here. So basically that mail told me about what kind of orchid they are sending me. The two orchid they have sent me according to the mail, it is one dendrobium and one phalaenopsis. So I also received what to do when I open the package and the care things. So there are two plants inside this. I'm really hoping they are good. Okay, Harry. You can just see one leaf. Wow. Okay, so we have this. Okay, there was a bloom which I missed. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. So these are the two orchids I have received. They look very good. For the time they have been under transit. Okay, so let me just read it out for you guys. Okay, I'll put the screenshot on the screen as well. So this says we are sending you two varieties, Dendrobium and Phalaenopsis. I'm reading just the highlights. So plants will take some time to recover. Plant should be fully sprayed with a solution of fungicide. A white pouch, okay, that's this one. So half teaspoon in 1 liter of water, and which has been sent with the plant. Since the plant is in bloom, do not use the orchid fertilizer, that is green. Okay, so probably I think the bloom is coming in this, and the bloom in this has died. So for now we'll keep the green one aside, and they do not need to be they need not be repotted, and you can place it as it is with the included orchid pot inside of your favorite pots. Okay, great. So then we come to Dendrobium care. They are easiest to care, grow well at a temperature range between 20 to 35 degrees Celsius. Keep indoors or outdoors in bright area but no direct sunlight. Okay, water only when the media is dry. Phalaenopsis care is similar, just water through only in 7 to 10 days it says. Most orchids are killed due to overwatering. So I have some water over here. So since it's just a net pot, I'm just going to water so the orchid barks, they just retain the moisture since they are just dehydrated in their travel. I am just watering it. I hope they'll be good in a few days. So guys, this is how I have potted them. So it's actually not a pot. I just had these two glass jars or vases. So, and coincidentally the pot was almost set on the neck, and so it was a great experience. Thank you Orchid for sending me the lovely orchids, and I really love them. So reach them You can reach them on their YouTube channel called Click Orchid. They have their Instagram page by the name Click Orchid, and yes, you can order from any of the portal, Instagram, or maybe you can see their videos how to take care of for the orchids on YouTube. So thank you. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.